Today I'm going to show you how to install your snap shade on your F-150 truck. So this is an aluminium door and the magnets won't actually magnetize to it, so we'll have to install 4 mounts on each shade. 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So you're going to grab your pack of mounts. Grab your alcohol pad. And you're going to clean the surface where the mounts will be. And you're going to let that dry. I like to use my thumb. Make sure that all the residue or oils in the factory are gone. I like to use my thumb, but you can use a microfiber cloth as well. Do the bottom as well, just in case the dealership has added some leather cleaners or leather protectors on it. And you're going to grab your mount. Remove the backing tape. And then you're going to place it behind this rubber gasket. Like so, and it will be on an angle like that. The plastic will cover that partially, but the magnet will snap to that. Grab your second one. Remove the backing tape. Do the same. Pull away the plastic. This is where the mount is, and you're going to place that right there. Press firmly for about 30 seconds, let that set, it'll get stronger over time. Cover it like that, and put it on top. Now I'm going to install the 2 other mounts here. So I'm going to lift that up, place that there. Same thing. That's going to go right there. And that is your F-150 snapshade install. Do a quick sound check. Looks pretty good. So I've already got these installed, and you'll notice that because this door here is curved and our snapshade is straight, what you need to do is you're going to have to bend it like that and do the other side. You can see now that it's curved. Snapping it back in place, and you can see how the gap is reduced much less. That's it.